In this video tutorial, you will learn how to sort tables the new way in Google Docs. What you're seeing here is a normal table, so insert table like so, then just add your information and it looks like this. Now the very first step after adding all of our information is to pin the header up until this row, and that's to make sure that the header row doesn't get sorted. And then we can say sort in ascending or descending order, so we can choose the column. So here I'm sorting according to the tasks, and here I could be sorting according to the responsible people. And as you see, it sorts the entire table. Now what happens if I don't pin the header? So I can unpin it and then I go ahead and sort. It would sort the header too, which is obviously not what we want, so that's why I pinned the header first. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of our Google Docs, Gmail, or Google Apps Script video tutorials we publish every week. So hit the subscribe button and keep on learning.